We have made several improvements to machine simulation. Let's start by looking at this part in GibbsCAM 2022. With skip selected ops selected, this finished toolpath is plunging into the stock because the material condition has not been updated. Now let's compare to GibbsCAM 2023. With skip selected ops selected, the material condition is instantly updated. Now when we run this finished toolpath, it is correctly shown with the correct stock condition. Notice that rewinding also starts in the correct condition. We can also select multiple operations. The stock condition will be updated before each selected op runs. We've also enhanced the fixture transparency. We are now able to hide the fixture. And finally, we're able to report a collision with high feeds. We can set a threshold feed rate, and when we check for collisions, there is a collision, and then when we investigate, we can see the feed rate is above our threshold. So for instance, in case we put 300 in instead of 30, this would catch our mistake.